from like the way I live my life, and I try to kind of convey the emotions from my life and the things I've learned emotionally through the sounds of the music. And then sometimes I get really fun video ideas, and so I'll write a song to fit a video because I like want to make a song about, or I want to make a video about a western, or I want to make a video about a snowboat, a ballerina. So a lot of times the video inspires it. And right in front?
Oh.
In front?
No, that was a request.
Oh, okay. I thought you guys.
Not in English.
No.
Sorry.
I thought you guys. Okay. Well, apparently we're out of time, but we're gonna play you guys a song. This is a song just for you. We're not gonna be playing it in the show, and it's an acoustic version of. Oh wow, those are beautiful. Corey's got it. Hey everyone, give it up for Corey.
He won your heart.
Yeah. Thank you. Those are so wow. Oh, let me take a whiff. So nice. Thank you. Make my dressing room smell good. Sing something. Gabby, hit me.
Whoa. What are we doing?
Okay, perfect. I did not yet. I got some CDs today, so I'll have to listen to that.
Okay, we go. Wow. You ready?
I'm ready. Thank you guys so much for coming. They're basically kicking us off